Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll do the revision of chapter number 6, More on Internet. First of all, come to the multiple choice question. People who sell product and service are sellers. A blog is derived from the term vblog. Facebook is a social networking site. Smart card can be used for various retailer while shopping. Come to the fill in the blanks. Internet is like a big library. While using credit card as a mode of payment of e-commerce transaction, CVV number is required. CVV number is written at the backside of your ATM. The typical blog combines text, image and links to other blogs, web pages and other topics. Online shopping is the same as buying product using internet. Come to the quiz. Who is the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Which give an example of the blog site that allow you to share thoughts and feelings instantly. Facebook, Twitter and Facebook. Now list 4 e-commerce website. First e-commerce website are www.amazon.com, www.ebay.com, www.indiatimes.com, www.fabmart.com. Mention some website which provide online news facility. Some websites which provide online news facilities are www.ndtv.com, www.hindustantimes.com, www.kidnews.com. So here first one is the different list of e-commerce website. E-commerce means those who are doing electronic commerce, electronic business, those who are doing, their name is here. There's some website name is there, Amazon, eBay, India Times, Walmart. And here the question is there, mention some websites to provide online news facility, news that you are seeing in the TV. And if you want to see online, so you have to write the address that NDTV, Hindustan Times, Kid News, these are the some famous website of news facility. Then come to the short answer question. Write short notes on business to business e-commerce. Business to consumer e-commerce. This refers to the transaction that takes place between a company and a consumer. The company establishes a website for its product services so that the customers can order any product or series, gather information about them. It means that if you are doing the if you are buying a product as online, it means you are a consumer. And then which website you are accessing, Amazon or Amazon, Shopclose, Snapdeal, these are the that company establish their project and services to give the customer to order. While you are searching your product from any website, and then you are purchasing from that particular means products, that it means that you are consumer. And then the business to consumer means those who are doing the business, that business means they were making the website, entering all the data which they want to sell, and then you are the customer to buy the product. It means it is a business to consumer e-commerce. Then business to business e-commerce means this refers to a company selling or buying product by servicing to form of other companies. Means one company is selling their product to another company. It means business to business e-commerce. Then social networking. Social networking website functions like an online community of internet users. They provide a virtual community in which the members with common interests in hobbies, religions, and politics may communicate with each other. So here social networking site is online community. It means that we are using a Facebook. Facebook is a social networking site. In Facebook, different communities are there in our religion, in our favorite hobbies, in our favorite the politicians, cricketers, like this. The different communities are there, and if you want to add on that community, you can join their group. And if you want to post something, if you want to give the suggestion, if you want to uh, like the post, if you want to do the comment of their post, then you can do easily with the help of the community. Blogs. The term blog is derived from the term weblog. A weblog is type of website usually maintained by an individual. It contains regular entries or commentary, descriptions or events or some other material such as graphics and videos. Blogs also means to maintain or add content to a blog. Here blog means if you are having any hobbies, and that hobby you want to show your friends, your relatives, you want to you want to show your views about that particular means famous personalities, or your hobbies, or cricketers, or education, any field, then you can register one blog, and that blog you have to post your means paintings, post your songs, post your means short stories, your poetry, that, and then generate one link. That link you have to send to your means relatives, or friends, or classmates, and then they will access your blogs, and they will give you the suggestion. If some want to give you the suggestion, if some want to send you the comment, then you will be receiving their suggestion and comment. This is known as the blog. The next question we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.